The leaker. Oh, right here, you can see right there, got smacked. What do we got? Got ourselves a hole. Oh no. What's that right next to it? Oh shit. Shit. Done this. Well, we're back on the Studebaker. Lens is dirty. There you go. We're back on the Studebaker. The woman here is vacuuming out the trunk from all the crap we made inside of it. And then, yeah, we're further keep pushing on this one. I am going to work on the GTO later tonight. Maybe I get as much as we can done on this one as much as possible. Things I got to finish doing is getting these sinks mounted up or figure out what we need. And then we got to do this back plate, back seat. Got to plate that off and get this crap out of here and work our way to the front. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to fix this part here so we can get the wires set up and I can get the new starter wire all wired in along with that wire loom and then get that whole wire loom out of the way and done. One of the things I did find that was wrong with this, the way the starter was wired up, whoever did the wiring, this nut right here is not to be touched. It has to be all the way down and cinched to there. That nut should never be pulled off ever unless you're rebuilding this solenoid. It needs to stay put. If you turn this and this whole piece starts turning, all the wires that are hooked up here are going to twist right off. Done deal. And it makes the starter no good. I may have broke my ratchet. Well, that ain't good. I just broke it. Damn. Damn. Broke it. Alright, put that in the pile of broken. Never fails. I think that was probably my last one. Damn. Alright, let me get this wired up and then let's get it installed. Y'all hear that? That's rain coming down hard. Power already went off once, just came back on. So I'm back on this guy. Let's go. Let's put it back down a little bit. Hold up. Guys, we're going to call it a day. It is 9 o'clock. I mean, it sucked that the power was out for a couple hours. But I did get some work done on the GTO. Tony. So, we're going to call it a day. See you next time. See you tomorrow.